All right, it's Thursday morning, Friday Eve. October 21st, court will call the docket. 424-669, State versus Monica Carmona.
Good morning, here.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you today?
Doing good, trying to stay away from COVID.
All right, it's a good thing to do. Are you up to date on your payments?
Yeah, I've been making payments as much as I could every month, but I didn't have a right this month, so I'm gonna go down hopefully today or tomorrow morning.
Okay, be sure you keep up with it, okay?
Yes, sir.
We'll see you in 30 days.
All righty. Bye-bye, Judge.
Bye-bye, take care, stay safe.
You too.
609-616-612-987, 616-981, all State of Texas versus Joe Rubio, attorney, Richard Langlois. Joe Rubio. Absent at this time. Richard Langlois, no response. 620-935, 620-936, State versus Efren Serrano. Romualdo Horta, attorney. No response from the attorney. The defendant is absent. 621-391 and 621-392, State versus David Hernandez, attorney, William Brooks.
Morning, Judge. We are present this morning. Still attempting to resolve it, but if I could confer, I was talking with Ms. Hollis before.
You are number one to confer, Mr. Brooks. Good morning to you.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
Morning, sir. Ms. Pollard, are you here today?
Yes, Judge, we're both here this morning.
All right, we've got a full crew. Ms. Pollard, if you wouldn't mind, you can begin conferring with Mr. Brooks.
Sounds good.
625-361, State versus Susan Hansford, attorney, Neil Kalfas.
Honor. Can you hear me? Yes.
I can hear somebody said, are you? Is that
Good
Ms.
morning,
Hansford?
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. This is Susan.
Good morning, ma'am. Have you heard from your attorney? They're usually here on time.
Yes, attorney.
Any word from Neil Kalfas? Sergio Ibarra? No response.
She is Jasmine Salvador, but she's on the phone right now.
Who's on the phone?
Jasmine?
Who's Jasmine?
Jasmine Sandoval is an attorney at Calfis Law Group. She's going to be logged in, but she's doing a felony setting. So she'll be logged in as soon as she's finished with that.
Permission to speak, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
Permission to speak, Your Honor?
Of course, of course.
This is Zachary Brown. I just want to check in with you.
Right, well, I'm calling the docket. I call them one at a time.
Yes,
If
sir.
you'll,
Yes, sir. I
if you'll-
understand.
If you'll wait your turn.
Okay.
On page 2, 627004, State versus Manuel Escobedo. And attorney is Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present.
In the courtroom, Judge?
Okay. Mr. Barrera, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, I'd like to confer with the state.
You are number 2 to confer, Ms. Haas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Haas. Are you ready to confer with Mr. Barrera?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Barrera, you have any other cases?
Yes, Judge. I have two more.
Well, give me the number. Let's get you with it.
Yes, Judge. It's on page 3, cause number 643036.
All right, sir.
And then, and Mr. Knight is present, Your Honor.
Yes,
Richard,
good
can
morning,
you-
Judge.
Good morning to you, Mr. Knight. And Mr. Barrera, what's your next one?
Last one, Judge, is on page 6, cause number 659323.
659. 6323, Mr. Barrera, and that is Lineal Martinez, Miguel Lineal Martinez. Is he present? Está
Miguel.
presente Miguel Lineal Martínez.
Sí, buen día. Buenos días.
Buenos días. Okay, Mr. Barrera, you are set to go with all three cases. Confer.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 632386, State versus Malik Alston. And that is Valerie Headland.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Él salió y presentó a uno.
Is Mr. Alston present?
Yes, he is.
I'd ask the rest of you to be silent and mute yourselves until I call you. Okay, Mr. Alston, I'm told you, Ms. Headland, Mr. Alston is present.
Yes, sir. I'm present.
Very good. Ms. Headland, what are your intentions this
Yeah,
morning?
Your Honor, we have applied for PTD, so I just got the final things for the application and submitted it this week. Could we get a reset in order to give them time to process the application?
I think it takes about 60 days, or at least we're going to give you 60 days.
Okay.
Now, really, no, do I need to convince you?
No, I believe you because I've had that experience myself.
All right.
So may we both be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you may. Thank you very much, both, for
Thank
being
you.
on time.
Thank you.
Stay safe. 632901. State versus Michael Yancier or Yancier, and the attorney is Jeffrey Martinez. Michael Yancier, absent. Jeffrey Martinez, no response. 632996 and 633466, State versus Miranda Reyes, attorney Joe Stenberg. Miranda Reyes is absent. Joe Stenberg, no better. 633784, State versus Jose Guerrero, attorney Robert Gebbia.
Good morning, Judge. Robert Gebbia for Jose Guerrero. I do not see him logged on. Mr. Guerrero, can you identify yourself if you're logged on? My office will attempt to reach out to him, and in the meantime, may I confer, Your Honor?
Absolutely. You're next to confer. Thank you, Robert. 635559 and 636137, State versus Anthony Cruz, attorney Randall Griner.
Your Honor, he's in other courts. He should be logging on right before 10.
All righty. What about Mr. Cruz? I don't hear anything from Mr. Cruz. Anthony Cruz. Marked absent. 636161, State versus Kiara Hernandez, attorney Matthew Finch. Kiara Hernandez, marked absent. Matthew Finch. No response. Going to page 637056, State versus Claudia Ramos Mejia, attorney Robert Jimenez.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning,
Hi, good morning. Mr. Robert's gonna come late. He's in another
Okay.
court.
Late, other court.
Yes,
Ms. Ramos Mejia, do you go by Claudia Ramos, Claudio Mejia, or Ramos Mejia?
Claudia Ramos Mejia.
Very good. Thank you. Just
Thank you.
wait for Mr. Jimenez to join us.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
639024, State versus Jonathan McClellan, no attorney. Jonathan McClellan. He has 2 felonies pending, absent today. 640230, State versus Reginald Rackley, attorney Jerome White.
Judge, we are both present. That is going to be a plea. The paperwork is already prepared. We're ready when you are.
Thank you, Mr. White. We'll try to get to you as quickly as possible.
Thank you, Your Honor.
641984, State versus Richard Vogelman, attorney Gary Hillier.
Patrick Ballantyne, I'm here on that, Your Honor. He was just accepted into the pretrial diversion program yesterday.
All right. We'll give you, how much time now? What was your name again? You're not Hillier?
Patrick Ballantyne, I practice in the same firm as Mr. Hillier.
Okay, so you're here for him, Mr. Hillier.
Yes, sir.
Is that Ballantyne with a B or a B like Victor?
A B is in Bravo.
Ballantyne. And I presume you want about what, 30 days, 60 days to see how it proceeds?
I think 60, and then we should probably be where we need to be.
We'll give you a 60-day reset. Mr. Ballantyne, do you have any other cases?
No, Judge. Thank you very much.
Then you and your client are excused at this point. Stay safe.
You too.
642-617, State versus George Fox. Attorney Robert Marr.
Judge, that is my case. And Judge, I have to be live at the courthouse right now. I wanted to see if I could confer off docket on this matter with the state and also on my other case on a George Perez.
Okay.
655970 is the other case.
It is what now?
655970 on a George Perez. It's a UCW case. I've been trying to get an answer from Jamisa on what the state is going to do with the UCWs in light of the new statute, but I don't have an answer yet.
All right, is Mr. George Bettis here?
They should. I know Mr. Mock is on. Mr. Perez should be on as well, Judge.
Robert, I always hear that should be on.
I know.
I see him, Judge. He's here.
I'm here.
Very good.
Thank you, George Schaefer or George Sharman.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna let you confer off docket. And I guess we'll reset you 30 days.
All right. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Take care,
Robert,
Robert.
Y'all take care.
Brian, I just sent you a text.
All right.
All right. 644164, State versus Emily Lujan. Attorney Amy Owen.
Morning, Judge. This is Sean Simpson. Amy Owen is not going to be the attorney on this case anymore. It'll be Jenny Zarka and I'm filling in for Jenny this morning. I'm trying to get a hold of Ms. Lujan to get her to log on.
All right. Do you have any other cases?
No, Judge, I do not.
As of right now, Ms. Lujan is absent, as you know. Get her to sign on.
I will, Judge. Thank you.
And what are your intentions for today?
Your Honor, I was just going to quickly confer. I don't have the case in front of me. I had to step in for Jenny last minute. I'm actually up in Dallas, so I don't have a file or anything.
All right. We'll list you on the conferring list.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Six 219, State versus Conward Simmons. Attorney Matthew Brown.
Morning, Your Honor. Mr. Simmons is present. If I could confer, please.
All right, sir. You're on the list to confer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 644475, State versus David Discano. Attorney Brian Powers.
Good morning, Judge Brian Powers. I'm present. Mr. Liscano had a death in the family and is currently on a flight to Philadelphia. And if the court would allow, I can try to provide some evidence of the deceased. I have sent some information to Ms. Pollard to review, so I'd ask if I could get some more time to talk to her, possibly off docket.
All right, we're gonna reset you 30 days. If you'd be kind enough to extend the court's condolences to Mr. Liscano.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
You don't have any other case, Mr. Powers?
No, Judge, that's it.
Then you're excused.
Thank you, sir.
644-662 State versus Charles Henderson, Cornelius Cox. Cornelius Cox, no response. Charles Henderson, marked absent. Proceeding to page 4. Six, 4, 5, 6, 3, 0 State versus David Dre, attorney Thomas Hille. David Dre, absent. Thomas Hille, no response. 646-213 Zavi Cavasso, attorney Michael Bellavo.
I am present, Your Honor, and Ms. is present as well. I would like to confer, and I have one other case on the docket.
And identify the other case.
Yes, it's on page 6, 657-996, Mike Garay.
657
996.
996 is Mr. Garay.
He is present as well.
Very good. Okay, Michael, you are.
Good morning, Your
on the
Honor.
list. Good morning. You're on the list to confer, sir, both cases.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Six, 4, 7, 166 State versus Yolanda Trevino.
Present, Your Honor.
Pongo. Mr. Sherman.
I have 2 other cases on the docket, Judge, and I need to confer on those as well as with her. They are 616-612 Honorio Galarza and
Aaron Hurtado.
Hurtado. That's
Are they
correct.
present?
No, Judge, they're not.
Yes, sir.
Where?
This is Aaron Hurtado.
Okay, Aaron Hurtado is there, and Honorio Galarza, I don't see him.
That's right now, Mr. Galarza is absent. I'm marking you present on both, and you're allowed, you're on the list to confer, and you can confer on all 3 cases.
Okay, and I apologize to Aaron because I didn't see him.
Not to worry. 647-699 State versus Gregory Miles, attorney Eric Reynolds.
I have Mr. Miles here in the courtroom, Judge.
Very good.
Judge, I talked to Mr. Reynolds this morning, and I think his wife might be having a baby.
Oh, well, let's wait a little bit to see if he makes any kind of, did he report this to you, Mr. Miles?
Yes, he said that he would not be here. If anything, his assistant emailed me.
All right, then we're gonna reset you for 30 days. We'll have, you'll get notice from your attorney. We'll let him know.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Stay safe. Thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
being
Thank you.
here. Thanks for being here and reporting. 647-898 State versus Kevin Trejo, attorney James Hunt.
I am present here, Your Honor. I didn't see Mr. Trejo log in, but I will try to contact him. I don't believe he's ever missed a court date before.
All right, so right now he's absent, but we'll wait for you to let us know.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. 647-927 State versus Ana Barron, attorney Thomas Beck.
Judge, we're both present. We're both present, Judge, if I could confer.
Absolutely. You're on the list to confer, sir. 649-677 State versus Heidi Nelson, attorney Ashley Morgan.
Judge, how are you?
Good morning, Ms. Morgan. I am well. How are you and your family?
We're doing well. Ms. Nelson's present.
Very good.
We are set for a plea this morning. If I may go into a breakout room to go over the paperwork with her.
Absolutely. Patty, are you here this morning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, would you place them in breakout, please?
Yes, sir.
649-723, State versus Stacy Sprinkle, Attorney George Manning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present, but Ms. Frankel is not. This case had been reset because she's homeless. She's not a Berry County resident. And I needed some time to see if I could send a certified letter, but pretrial doesn't even, I think, I double checked with them, have an address for her. So currently, I just, even though I contacted her and visited her in jail when I got the case, she got out on PR bond and I haven't been able to track her down since, Judge.
Well, then I'll have to issue a failure to appear.
I understand, Your Honor.
As of today, you have 1 week to see if you can produce her. I understand your circumstance.
Thank you, Judge.
So as of right now, you're excused.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good
Stay
day.
safe.
You as well, thank you.
650044, State versus Ruben Alvarado, Attorney Richard Woods.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, gentlemen. Rick, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, we're ready. The paperwork's been complete. It's just a matter of doing the plea.
All right. Thank you, sir. Stick around. 651013, State versus Isabel Ruff.
Ruff, good morning, Your Honor. Dante Dominguez for Ms. Ruff, who should be on here as well. That is set for plea today. We do have all the paperwork in, and we're ready to roll when the court is able to hear us.
Very good. Now you say she should be here. Is Ms. Rowe, are you here? As of right now, I'm marking her absent, Mr. Dominguez.
I'm shooting out a text right now. Thank you, sir.
Going to page 5. Six 51409, State versus Justin Arnold. Pardon me, Arzola.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And the attorney is Karen Corby.
Good morning, Judge. Present. Judge, we're
Good
both
morning.
present. We are ready with plea paperwork.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. 652340, State versus Zachary Brown, attorney Julie Pollock.
I'm present, sir.
Zachary Brown?
Yes, sir.
That doesn't sound like Zachary Brown. Are you Zachary Brown answering?
Yes, sir. That's my legal name.
There you are. Okay, I was expecting a male voice. And Julie Pollock. That's unusual. She's usually right here. Have you heard from her, Ms. Brown?
I actually got an email from her yesterday to confirm our court hearing today. And I did call her several minutes before the Zoom started, and I didn't get an answer. So I didn't want to be rude and call her as I'm in the Zoom meeting with you guys.
Okay, well, we'll wait and see. She'll probably show up or she's in another court. 653, stick around, 653520, State versus Ricardo Gutierrez. James Hunt.
I believe Mr. Gutierrez is here and we would like to confer on that.
I am here, Your Honor.
Very good. You're set to confer. What number is that, Patty?
9.
Number 9. Thank you, Patricia. 654136, State versus Daniel San Miguel in Cecil Bain.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What you got, Cecil? What are you doing today?
I don't have a client, I don't believe, Judge. I haven't had contact with him lately.
Well, that's going to be a problem, huh? We're going to mark him failure to appear. And if you can produce him within a week, there will be no warrant.
I understand.
You have anything else, Cecil?
That's all I have, Judge. May I be excused?
You are excused, sir. Stay safe.
Yes, you too.
655-024 State versus Dean Patterson. Attorney David Cuellar.
Yes, sir. We're both present. I would like to confer, please, with Ms. Pollard. You've been conferring on this case.
All righty, you're on the list to confer. 655-216 State versus Ruben Sedna. Attorney Russell Mitchell.
Present, Your Honor.
That's Mr. Sedna.
That's Mr. Cerna, yes.
Have you heard from your attorney, Russell Mitchell?
No, I haven't, Your Honor.
Okay, no response. We'll see whether he shows up.
Excuse me?
We'll see whether he shows up.
Okay.
Stick around.
Yes, sir.
Schedule for 1:30, 656-361 State versus Jesus Garza. Jesus Garza, we call it at 1:30 as scheduled. Page 6. 658-645 State versus Mercedes Pacheco. Attorney Rene Munoz.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present on her behalf, and she is present too, labeled under Mercedes A32 on her phone.
Okay. And this says plea. Are you doing a plea today?
Your Honor, I'll be respectfully requesting a reset to next week. We still need to get some of the plea paperwork, and I need to explain the process and all that entails with my client. She's not particularly good with technology either, so we're going to have to do that in advance, Judge.
We'll recall you in 1 week.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. May my client and I be excused for now?
You are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye.
Stay safe. 661-048 State versus Tyler McClure. Attorney John Robinson. Hello. Tyler McClure. Absent. John Robinson. Attorney. No response. 661251 State versus Bailey Boskind, and the attorney is Charles Mays.
I have Mr. Boskin here in the courtroom, Judge.
Courtroom.
Your Honor, Mr. Mize was on. He
I'm
has to
sorry,
go-
Patty. Patty, I'm right here,
Oh.
Patty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hello, Judge.
Yes.
Yes, I visited with Catherine Pollard, and evidently he's got a felony arising out of the same transaction. So I guess we need to reset it, Judge.
All right, felony pending.
Yes, Your Honor.
Gonna reset it. Do you know how far along that case is?
Judge, to be honest with you, I think they're getting. And she said they were getting ready to indict it, so I don't know.
Well, they're getting ready. We'll give you 60-day reset, felony pending.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll be
Y'all are-
excused.
Y'all are excused at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Castillo, make sure that Ms. Boskind is aware she's excused.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. 661268 State versus Christopher Vasquez. Attorney Paul Acevedo.
Sir, this is Your Honor. This is Chris Vasquez. My attorney is in an in-court hearing right now. Told me to.
All righty. Then you'll have to stick around, wait till he shows up.
Yes, sir.
662033 State versus Carlos Vargas. Attorney Anthony Bancroft.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Good morning to you. My client is present. I would like to confer with the state.
All right, sir. You're on the list. 662248 State versus Eduardo Navarro. Attorney Joanne Akel.
Good morning, Judge. My client is present in the courtroom. I believe in these cases I have some missing discovery. Could I be in line to confer with the prosecutors about the missing discovery?
Yes, ma'am. You are on the list for discovery.
Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. 662265, State versus Nova Cardenas. Attorney Stephanie Esparza.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Ms. Cardenas is on the Zoom as well.
Very good. Now, it shows here she's applied for or is already on PTD.
Well, she's been accepted, but we still have to do the agreement. So we just need a little bit of time to do that and then hopefully get the case dismissed.
All right, so we'll reset this. How long, Patty?
45.
Mrs. Esparza, Ms. Cardenas, y'all are excused. We're resetting this 45 days. If you need to confer, do you need to confer, Mrs. Esparza?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, then you're excused, you and your client.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 665535, State versus Joshua Hemphill. Attorney Rebecca Brett.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Hemphill and I are both on the Zoom this morning.
Good morning. What can we do for you?
I'd like to confer with the state.
You are scheduled to confer. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
669062 and 063, State versus Baden Morales. Attorney William Davidson.
Yes, Your Honor. I got a call just before I logged on from the Juvenile Justice Academy, and apparently he showed up to school this morning and he wanted them to set up a Zoom for him, but they don't do that. And so I got a call from the administrator saying that she cannot set up a Zoom to have him log into court. And so I respectfully request a reset.
Let's recall you in 1 week. You ought to be able to get him together or get it together with him.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 670064, State versus Johnny Valderas. Attorney Jose Rocha.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jose Rocha. I believe that my client is also present.
Johnny Valderas?
Yes, sir, present.
Very good.
Your Honor, I apologize. You were saying, Your Honor.
I say, Mr. Rocha, what can I do?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to confer with the state.
Very good. It'll take a little bit, but we do have our full contingent. So it'll be a little long.
Your Honor, if that's the case, could I go and check in another court and then come back?
Yes, sir.
Specifically, that would be CC 14.
Very good. Go ahead and do that, and we'll be waiting for you. It'll be a little while before we get to you anyway.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's see. We only had 2 add-ons. That's Mr. Sharman. He's already on the list. All right. That's the docket for this morning. Attorneys who need to check in after not answering the first go round. Anybody? Richard Langlois, Romualdo Horta, Neil Kalfas, Jeffrey Martinez, Joe Stenberg, Matthew Finch, Cornelius Cox, Thomas Hille, Julie Pollock, Russell Mitchell, John Robinson, Paul Acevedo, okay, folks.